Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone has been doing great. To all of my new subscribers, I want to say thank you all for tuning on to watch. My name is Anundubeze and today I'm going to be making unripe plantain with salmon fish. You can also use kpanla fish or you use mackerel fish. This is just for you to eat healthy. You know how healthy salmon fish is. Please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you love this recipe. Thank you and God bless you. So I've gone ahead to chop my plantain. I don't want to waste time. This is a very quick and easy meal for you if you just had your surgery. This is something you can just quickly make. It's a healthy food. It has a lot of health benefits, iron and all of those good stuffs. All right. My fish. This is my salmon fish. This is how I craved for it. To my pot, I added onion, I added tomatoes, and I added some garlic, and I added my salmon fish, and it's cooked. I'm going to get the fish out. I did not add any oil because salmon fish has its own natural oil, so you can do you. So once I get my fishes out, I'm going to set it aside, and in the same pan I'll start making my plantain porridge. Look at how yummy. This is so good. Smells incredible here in this kitchen. I'm going to add my plantain here and I'll allow it to cook until you can go ahead and add your pepper if you want to. I can't eat pepper now. I'm going to try to cheat by eating a little bit of pepper. But I'm not supposed to eat pepper at all right now. Okay. So I'm going to cover it. Not too much salt. So I'm not using salt. I'm going to let this cook and then I'll bring out my vegetables. Just very quick and easy and yummy-licious. This is very ready. It doesn't waste time to cook. I'm going to go in with my salmon and I have some eggs. Guys, this is how I crave for it. I'm going to go in with my vegetables. You can go in with, you can add more onion if you care. I'll just allow the vegetable to simmer and it's ready. This is something you can eat if you had surgery. Okay? This is it, guys. I love that I added egg. This is what I craved for. So I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to simmer. No salt. I'm sure you saw what I did, but it's so delicious. With the salmon fish, I added some crayfish, and yeah, this is it. Yes, guys, this is how my deliciousness looks. I'm going to take some. It's again my husband, but I got it with all woman. Na keyawa. But I got roll by now get with all wine. Low cost. Guys, I don't eat too much now. I eat very little portions. Very little portions, so yeah. Sorry guys, I was speaking my language, but anyways, it is what it is. I hope you like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so. Yeah, this little portion, like I'm loving egg this time around. This is what your girl is gonna eat. You can eat this once you had surgery. This is very, very good, trust me. You can see there's no oil because I was warned not to eat oily food. So if you eat the wrong thing, you're going to see yourself back in the hospital. Let's eat, guys. Guys, this tastes really, really, really good. Have you tried? Salmon fish is good. Man, salmon fish is good with this plantain. Very healthy. Very yum, guys. Oh my God, this is good. Christian, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Ciao, ciao.